discuss about the image formation by the concave mirror and the convex mirror. Before going on that image formation, first we will discuss some rules related to image formation. So let's start. So this is your concave mirror and this is your convex mirror. So we will discuss 4 rules before going on image formation by concave mirror. So this center of reflecting surface is pole. If I will complete this imaginary sphere of this reflecting surface, then this will be the center of this sphere. So this is known as center of curvature. This is your focus. Focus is if light is parallel. If light is parallel, then the reflected light will pass from focus. Then reflected light will pass from focus. Same rule is applicable for the convex mirror. So if this is pole, because this is the center of this reflecting surface, this is center because if I will complete the imaginary sphere of this reflecting surface, this will be the center. So this is known as center of curvature. So again, this is focus. Focus is the point where all the incident ray meet at a point, or image will be formed on focus. So if light is coming in a parallel manner, then we pass from focus. But convex mirror property is that it will diverge the light. So this converts the light. So this is known as converging mirror. This will diverge the light. So this is known as diverging mirror. But rules say that if light is coming parallel, then it will pass from focus. Then reflected light will be passed from focus. So this is behind the mirror. So light will not come here. This is the imaginary concept that light is coming from focus. So all the formation we are doing here will be represented by dotted line. Clear? So this is first rule. If light is coming parallel, then it will pass from focus. If light is coming parallel, then it will pass from focus. Second rule. Again, this is pole. I hope now pole, center and focus terms are clear. So if light is coming on focus, clear? First light is coming parallel, incident light is coming parallel, reflected light go from focus. But if now incident light is passing through focus, it will reflect parallel to this principal axis. This line, the line which is passing through center and pole, that is known as principal axis. So if light is coming from focus, then it will reflect it back, that is parallel to principal axis. So same case for the convex mirror. This is your pole, this is center and this is focus. So if light is coming to focus, as we know that this is the area which is behind the mirror, and behind the mirror light can't travel. So if light is going to focus, then according to rule it should be passed, or it should be parallel to this reflected light, should be parallel to principal axis. So it will diverge the light. It will diverge the light in such a manner that it should be parallel to principal axis. So in this way. So if I want to make the incident angle and reflected angle, so I will make a normal that will pass from center. So this is normal. Normal will pass from center, and incident ray and this normal will make incident angle, and reflected ray and this normal will make reflected angle. So here I will make normal, and what is the identity of normal? That normal will be passed from center. So this is your normal that will pass from center. So this is incident light, incident ray make incident angle with normal. This is reflected angle, reflected ray, and this will make reflected angle with reflected ray will make reflected angle with the normal. So here Again I will make center. So this is normal that will pass from center. So this is incident ray, it will make incident angle here and here reflected angle. So here this is your center and normal will pass through center. This is incident angle and this is reflected angle. So now we will move towards the next rule, that if light will pass from center, this focus. So again our third rule is, now we have done if light will come to the parallel, if light will come to the pass through the focus. Now I am considering if light will come to the center. Then according to rule, if light is coming to the center, then reflected light will also pass through the center. Means इंसिडेंट लाइट और रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट का जो पाथ होगा वो सेम होगा इन केस ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. सो हियर इफ लाइट इज कमिंग टू द towards the center, if light is coming towards the center, then reflected light will follow the same path, then reflected light follow the same path. So our last rule, this is pole, this is center, this is focus, this is pole, this is center and this is focus. So our last rule, if light is coming towards the pole, if light is coming towards the pole, then it will follow the path that will make same angle. So it will reflect back in such a manner that it will form a same angle as incident make with this principal axis. So this is the rule. So here if light is coming towards pole, then it will reflect in such a manner that it will form the same angle. So this is all about the rules. First rule I am repeating, that if light is coming parallel, then it will pass through the focus in both the cases, in concave mirror or in convex mirror. Second rule, if light is coming towards the focus, then it will reflect in such a manner that it should be parallel to the principal axis. Third rule, if light is coming towards the center, then it will reflect in then it will follow the same path. And fourth, same angle, if light is coming towards the pole, then it will reflect in such a manner that it will form the same angle. So this is all about the pole. Now before going to the image formation, I am telling you some basically trick so that you can easily make image formation. So basically rules will help you to make image formation, बट देयर इज सम ट्रिक. इमेज फॉर्म करनी है तो ये रूल आपकी हेल्प करेंगे इमेज फॉर्मेशन के लिए. सो उससे भी पहले एक मैं आपको ट्रिक बताऊंगी कि हमें पता है इमेज फॉर्म कब होगी, जब ऑब्वियसली टू रेस मीट करेंगी. अब वो टू रेस कहाँ से पास करवानी है, हमें पैरेलल लेके जानी है, सेंटर से लेके जानी है, फोकस से लेके जानी है, पोल से लेके जानी है. सो उसके लिए आई एम गिविंग यू ट्रिक दैट जो आपकी पहली रे है वो हमेशा होनी चाहिए पैरेलल, सेकेंड रे आपकी हमेशा होनी चाहिए सेंटर. अगर ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आ जाती है कि आपकी जो रे है वो सेंटर से पास नहीं होगी, अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगी वो कौन सी सिचुएशन है कि सेंटर से पास नहीं होगी, तब आपको रे पास करवानी होगी फोकस. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस ट्रिक, फर्स्ट रे शुड बी पैरेलल, सेकेंड रे सी एंड थर्ड रे एफ. सो PCF इसे माइंड में रखना कि हमें जो रे है पहली पैरेलल, सेकंड सेंटर, और अगर ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आ जाए कि वो सेंटर से पास नहीं हो रही है तो हम जाएंगे फोकस की तरफ. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सी इमेज फॉर्मेशन. आई होप नाउ यू विल फॉलो द रूल्स एंड द ट्रिक दैट आई हैव टोल्ड यू. सो फर्स्ट पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इंफिनिटी. सो नाउ आई एम टेकिंग पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. सो दिस इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज AB. ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है, ये इंफिनिटी पे पड़ा है. और मेरे को आप बात बताओ ये कि अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट बहुत दूर पड़ा है, वो इस चीज में पड़ेगा कि मेरे को सेंटर से रेस पास करनी चाहिए या फोकस में से रेस पास करनी चाहिए, उसके दिमाग में इतना कुछ नहीं होगा. जो बहुत दूर ऑब्जेक्ट पड़ा है वो सिंपल पैरेलल रेस को ही आने देगा. सो दिस इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज प्लेस्ड ऑन इंफिनिटी. सो पैरेलल रेस विल कम. Okay, so as I told you, according to rule, if light is coming parallel, then reflected light will pass to the focus. So this is focus, this is focus, this is reflected light. Arrow, you have to make arrows which light is incident and which light is reflected. So two light are meeting on this point, so image form on where or what is the position of the image, that is focus. So we can write here that the position of image when object placed at infinity is at focus. So what is the size of image? You can see that size of image is point size object or highly diminished. We can write this as highly diminished or point size object. Next, nature of image. So basically, when image will form on the left side, that image will be real and inverted. If image will form behind the mirror, and that image will be virtual and erect. So in this case, nature of image is real and inverted. You can see that image form is on the right side of the mirror, or sorry, left side of the mirror. So next case when position of object is beyond C. So beyond C, I am taking object here. So this is your object, that is AB. Now follow that rule and trick that I have told you. What is the trick? First light should be parallel and second light should be passed through from the center. And now apply the rules that I have told you. If light is parallel, then it will pass from the focus, and if light is passing through the center, then what is the path of the reflected ray? Same path. So it will follow the same path. Now two rays are meeting on this point, so image formation is here. Now you can clearly see that the position of image is between the C and F. So when object placed beyond C, then the position of image is between C and F. And what is the size of image? You can see that the size of image here is when I comparing with object, then the size of image is diminished than the, not highly diminished, simply smaller than the size of object. So I can write here is size of image is diminished or small size. Or what is the nature of image? Image formation is on the left side. So I told you that if image formation is on the left side, that nature of image is real and inverted. Or you can see that from here you can see that image form is inverted than the object. So next is at C. Again follow the same rule and the tricks that I have told you. If object placed at C, so this is your object A, B. Now first ray according to trick should be passed from the parallel. Clear? Now I am taking first ray is parallel, then it will reflect through passing through the focus. Now I told you कि अगर ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आ जाती है कि सेकेंड रे सेंटर में से पास नहीं हो पाती, दैट सिचुएशन इज दिस कि अब ऑब्जेक्ट पे ही जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है वही सेंटर पे पड़ा है, तो अब हमारी सेकेंड रे सेंटर से पास ना होगी, कहां से पास होगी? फोकस में से पास होगी. फर्स्ट रे पैरेलल and it will pass from focus. Done. Second ray will be passed from the focus. Now there will be no confusion that why I am not taking the ray from the center, because object is placed on the center. Now I am giving priority to the third one, that I told you that first ray should be parallel, second ray should be center, and third ray should be from the focus. So according to rule, if light is passing through the focus, then the reflected ray should be parallel to this principal axis. So you can see that light is meeting on this point. So this is the image. So what is the position of this image? At C. Size of image, you can clearly see that the size of image is same. And nature of image, again image formation is on the left side, so it will form real plus inverted. Next is if object is placed between C and F. See, if object is placed between C and F, again apply same rule and same trick. So according to trick, first rule, first ray should be parallel and it will pass through the focus. Now second ray. Now second ray according to trick should be passed from the center. Now I am taking here my second ray should be passing through the center and it will reflect along the same path. Now I will extend this line. Now you can see that here image will be formed. Now what is the position of this image formation? This is your A and this is B. What is the position of image? Position of image is beyond C. Beyond C. And size of image, you can see that the size of image is enlarged. And nature of image, again it is image formation is on the left side, so image is real plus inverted. Okay, so now I am taking that position of object is on F. So if object is placed at F, then same according to rule and trick, first ray should be parallel and parallel ray will be passed from the focus. Second, it will pass through the center and reflected light follow the same path according to rule. Now you can see that both the rays are parallel. So as you all know that parallel rays can never meet. So what is the position of image? So I can say that the position of image will be at infinity. I am considering that these two lines will be meet at infinity. So at infinity image will be formed. So size of image, if I am considering that at infinity image will be formed, then what will be the size at infinity? That will be highly enlarged. Highly enlarged. So in last case you can see that if I am placing object between C and F, then the size of image will be enlarged. But when I place the object at F, then size of image will be highly enlarged. So what is the nature of image? Nature will be real and inverted because I am considering that image will meet at the left side at infinity. So next last, if object will be placed between P and F. So if I am taking object will be placed at P and F. So first ray should be parallel, that will pass from the focus, and second ray center. So you can see that this ray will be here and this ray will be here. These two rays will be never meet on the left side, but if I will extend these rays, these will meet at the right side of the mirror. So here image will be formed. So you can clearly see that what is the position of image? That will be behind the mirror. That will be behind the mirror. Size of image. You can see that the size of image will be enlarged. And nature of image, now image form is on the right side of the or the behind the mirror, then the image will be virtual plus erect. So you can now see that the image form here is erect. In last case or in the previous case, all the image are inverted. About the image formation by the concave mirror. So here we are left only with two cases, that is image formation by the convex mirror. Start the image formation by the convex mirror. In convex mirror, there are only two cases when we are considering that the position of object is at infinity, and second case is between infinity and the pole. So, this is your convex mirror. This is pole. This is center, and this is focus. So, if object is at infinity, I am considering object is at infinity. As I told you, when I place object at infinity, both the rays will be parallel. So, both the rays will be parallel. So, according to this convex mirror property, it will diverge the light. It will diverge the light. It will diverge the light. But according to rule, if light is coming parallel, then it should be passed from the focus. So, reflected light should be passed from the focus. So, I am considering light is passing from the focus behind the mirror. So, you will make all the light formation with the dotted line. Okay. So, here, two lights are meeting at this point. So, what is the position of the image that is at focus? So, what is the position of image? At focus behind the mirror. So what is the size of image? Again, you can see that the size of image is point size, that is highly diminished. So what is the nature of image? Image formation is on the right side. So you can directly say that the image will be virtual and erect. Or behind the mirror, then you can say that the virtual nature of image is virtual and erect. So our last case is between infinity and pole. So this is pole, this is center, this is focus. So I am placing object here. So this is the point that is between infinity and this pole. So according to trick, first ray should be parallel and it will diverge the light. But according to rule, it should be passed from the focus. So it will be passed from the focus. Second ray, according to trick, second ray should be passed from the center. So this is your ray. You can see that the light can't go travel in this behind the mirror area. So you will make like this. Second ray, if it will pass through from the center, then it will reflect also from the follow the same path. So now you can see that the two lights are meeting on this point. So what is the position of image? It will be between this P and F point somewhere. So it will be position of image is between P and F behind the mirror. So size of image. What is the size of image? That is diminished. Nature of image. Image formation is on the right side or behind the mirror. Then the nature of image is virtual plus erect. So I hope now this concept is clear, that the image formation by the spherical mirror. So this is all about the image formation. Next, now we are summarizing the lecture. So first we have discussed the rules, various rules that if light is coming to the parallel, center, pole and focus. So next we have done that the image formation by the concave mirror, and we have discussed the various position of object. And next we have done image formation by the convex mirror, in which we have discussed the two cases. Thank you.